The underlying principles. The code unraveled at the heart of the law of attraction lie profound principles. Once understood, these principles can transform the way we perceive and engage with the world around us. The fundamental key is the principle of like attracts like. This notion holds that our thoughts and intentions emit specific frequencies and vibrations. It's similar to a cosmic radio signal. In essence, the energy we emit into the universe becomes a magnetic force. It shapes the reality we encounter. Furthermore, the power of focused and unwavering thoughts is a linchpin in this cosmic dance. As we explore these principles, we also encounter the transformative force of embracing gratitude. It fosters a positive energy flow that aligns seamlessly with our aspirations. In unraveling the code of the law of attraction, we discover not just a secret, we uncover a profound philosophy. It invites us to be deliberate architects of our reality.